Hola amigos, today we are going to see how to make a super healthy broccoli soup. Broccoli belongs to the cauliflower and cabbage family and are known for their beneficial health effects. Broccoli is rich in fiber, vitamin C, vitamin K, iron and potassium. It also has more protein than most other vegetables. Having broccoli in any form regularly in your diet will improve your skin health, increases immunity power, and also protects you from cancer. So let's get started with a recipe. In a kadai, pour about 2 tablespoons of oil. Add 1 chopped medium-sized onion and saute it well. Now add 4 to 5 chopped garlic cloves. Once they are cooked, add 3 cups of water or about 750 ml of water. And add a little salt and half teaspoon of black pepper powder and bring it to boil. Once the water starts to boil, add about 250 grams of broccoli florets and let it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes or till they are soft. After 2 minutes, check the broccoli by cutting it. You should be able to cut it easily. At this stage, switch off the stove and let it cool, and then transfer to a mixer jar and grind it till it's smooth. In the same kadai, add a tablespoon of butter and now add 1 tablespoon of wheat or atta and mix it well. Take 300 ml of milk and pour it little by little and mix it well till you achieve a thick consistency. Mix it well so it doesn't stick to the pan and it should not form any lumps. Now add the broccoli juice and mix it well. Keep the flame in medium and let it boil. To this, add 2 teaspoons of Jeera powder and 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder and mix it well. Don't forget to keep stirring it once in a while so it doesn't stick to the pan. Now add a little salt according to your need. And add 1 teaspoon of Garam Masala powder and mix it well. The soup has changed its color and also it has become thicker than before. This is the desired consistency. Our super healthy broccoli soup is ready. Switch off the stove and serve it hot.